Hey everyone, and a massive hello from me, Joe. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible health benefits of moringa leaves. If you're looking to boost your wellness naturally, stay tuned. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is something I've become incredibly passionate about. We're going to explore why this plant has been revered for centuries and how it can make a real difference in our modern lives. From its nutrient-packed profile to its amazing ability to support our bodies, there's so much to uncover. This isn't just another health trend. Moringa has a rich history in traditional medicine and is now backed by a growing body of scientific research. We'll be looking at everything from how it can supercharge your immune system, to its potential role in weight management, and even how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Think of this as your comprehensive guide to understanding moringa's magic. We'll break down the science in an easy-to-understand way so you can feel empowered to make informed decisions about your health. So, grab a healthy snack, maybe even a cup of moringa tea if you have some, and let's get started on this fascinating exploration. We're aiming to not just inform you, but to really connect with you on how these natural wonders can contribute to a healthier, more vibrant life. I truly believe that understanding the power of plants like moringa can be a game changer for many of us. Let's unlock the secrets of this superfood together. Let's explore what makes moringa special. Its incredible nutritional value, packed with essential nutrients. Complete protein source with all 9 essential amino acids. Rich in vitamins A, C, E, K, and B vitamins. Loaded with minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. A potent force for good health. A multivitamin straight from nature. Moringa boosts overall well-being. Let's talk about our immune system. Moringa's high vitamin C content boosts immunity. It stimulates white blood cells. Regular intake helps your body respond to threats. Moringa also has vitamin A, E, zinc, and iron. Vitamin A maintains mucosal barriers. Zinc is essential for immune cells. Moringa fortifies your immune system. Let's delve into the essential vitamins and minerals in moringa. Moringa is rich in beta-carotene, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron. This nutrient density makes moringa a nutritional superstar. Moringa's powerful antioxidants neutralize free radicals, packed with vitamin C, beta-carotene, quercetin, and chlorogenic acid. These antioxidants protect against oxidative stress. Benefits include healthier skin and cardiovascular support. Regular consumption promotes longevity and vitality. Fresh moringa leaves are fantastic, but not always available. Moringa powder is a convenient and potent alternative, made by drying and grinding fresh leaves. This process concentrates nutrients. Moringa powder has a long shelf life. Add it to smoothies, yogurt, and more. Drying retains nutritional value. Moringa powder is a practical superfood. Moringa can aid in weight management by boosting metabolism and reducing fat formation. Its high fiber content promotes fullness, aiding in calorie control. Moringa helps stabilize blood sugar, reducing cravings. Incorporating moringa supports weight management goals naturally. Moringa is increasingly recognized in dietary supplements. Capsules, tablets, or extracts offer a convenient way to access moringa's benefits. These provide a consistent dosage of beneficial compounds. Choose high-quality products from reputable brands. They fill nutritional gaps and support your immune system. Consult your healthcare provider before adding moringa. Enjoy moringa by brewing it into a tea. Moringa tea offers a soothing, earthy flavor, similar to green tea but without caffeine. It's rich in antioxidants, supporting your immune system and digestion. A healthier alternative to sugary drinks or caffeinated beverages. Available in tea bags or loose leaves, add lemon, honey, or ginger for extra flavor. Moringa tea is a simple, enjoyable way to boost your daily wellness. Moringa's use in herbal medicine dates back thousands of years. Various cultures recognized its potent healing properties. Almost every part of the tree has medicinal qualities. It treats malnutrition, infections, skin conditions, and more. Traditional use enriches our appreciation for moringa. Let's summarize the health benefits of incorporating moringa leaves into your diet. Moringa is a holistic superfood that contributes to well-being. It provides essential nutrients and boosts immunity. Moringa supports weight management and offers convenience. Its roots in traditional medicine highlight its efficacy. Moringa enhances health, leading to a more vibrant you. And that brings us to the end of our exploration into the amazing world of Moringa. We've covered its nutritional profile, immune-boosting powers, and traditional uses. Moringa truly is a gift from nature, offering a wide array of benefits. Try Moringa powder, sip on Moringa tea, or consider a supplement. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice. Until our next video, take care.